Hi there, students. Hag, a hag. Okay, this is an offensive word for an ugly old woman, an evil old woman. Yeah? That hag next door does nothing but complain to the police about me. Yeah? So a hag, an ugly old woman, especially one who's unpleasant, who's cruel, who's always doing nasty things. But notice this word is quite offensive. You could also use this word, a hag, meaning a witch. If you actually read Macbeth, the three witches, if you read the stage directions, it says three hags. Yeah, so a hag, a crone, yeah, an unpleasant old woman. So it means that this woman is old, ugly, and unpleasant. But this is showing disapproval, and it's pretty offensive as well. Okay, so a hag. Let's see, we've got one or two phrases with this as well. You could be hag ridden. Somebody who's always tormented by problems, as if a witch had cast a spell on them. So his life seems to be hag ridden. Yeah, he's always beset with problems. Beset, B-E-S-E-T. He's beset with problems. Yeah, he's always harried by problems. I think you could also probably use this phrase hag ridden as a joke to say a man who's always harassed by women, a henpecked husband. You might call him hag ridden. And then we also actually have the phrase a fag hag. This is a woman who always likes to associate with homosexuals. Yeah, and this is pretty offensive as well. So be careful of this word because it's got lots of different offensive meanings. So a hag, an ugly old woman, an evil woman, a witch, a sorceress. Yeah. So the three hags in Macbeth: a crone, a shrew, a harridan, a termagant. I'm sorry, ladies. I'm sorry about all these negative words for women in English, but, well, they exist and I can't not explain them because they're offensive, but unfortunately they are. Yeah? So, yeah, the old hag is giving me problems again. Yeah, my boss is an old hag. I really hate her. Okay, so hag. Formality. That's a difficult one. I think if you're using it to refer to a witch, I think I would give it a 6.5, even a 7 in formality. Really quite literary. But if you're using it as an insult, 3.5 in formality. Yeah, so if you're insulting someone and calling them a hag, it's very informal. Yeah, if you're setting a scene in Macbeth, the three hags created their magic potion, then that's literary and much more formal. As to origin, it comes from or is the shortening of an old English word, hagtess, meaning a harpy or a witch, which comes from Proto-Germanic hagatusio, a hag as well. Okay, so a hag, an ugly old woman or a witch, but as I said, be careful because this word's offensive. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hag.